Alright, so we have the truck pretty well warmed up. Hold on, I just want to show the inside here. And this is where the gauge is sitting at this point. We put a new thermostat in it. We've been running it for probably about 10 minutes or so. So that's where the temperature is. And, you know, oil pressure is good too. Oil pressure is not bad if we were to take a quick look at that. It's right up there. So our bearings are good. So we're going to do our chemical test now. We've had it warm. Fans blowing warm. We have, you know, thermostats opened up. It was closed before, but it just opened, and we saw that. Here's the chemical test. Cobalt blue type color. 2 chambers will tell you kind of how bad is bad. And then what we do is put it right down to the top of the radiator, and then suck some gases out with the little plunger there, like a turkey baster. So we kind of want to watch this process happen. Now, typically on a really bad head gasket, you get that stuff and it would turn a yellowish green. On the bottom one seems okay. The top one
has a slight leak.
Yeah.
It's a very small leak, but it's only one.
Yeah.
The top one goes the bottom down.
So we have right now, it's hard to focus in on, but you can see the colors are starting to change between the two.